Hope you are all safe, your parents are safe, your relatives are safe. Friends, you know that the situation today we are facing is not good for the whole world. Be safe. But we know that we are in the boat. So we should be prepared for board examinations. So friends, we are also starting with some of the classes. I know that it is not 100%, but then also we are starting with it, right? So friends, today we are starting with statistics, the subject in which you can easily score 100 marks. It's a very important subject. And the chapter today we are selected is index number, and the weightage of this chapter is 12%, that is 12 marks. Around 5 questions will be asked to you. 5 questions will be asked to you in all 6 sections. That 4 questions will be asked to you. Marks are allotted 1, 2, 3, 5, that is 12 marks. Now friends, what is index number? Index number means the data which can be presented in a simpler ratio, right? The authentic definition is different one, but that is the common man can understand, a student can understand what does it mean index number. Index number means nothing to show the data in percentage, right? Today if I say to you that prices of petrol is decreasing by this much and all, everyone can understand it, right? We know the situation of COVID, because of COVID and all, the price of petrol is decreasing. But percentage importance is there. Wages is given to them, right? Import figures are there, export figures are there, and lot of other things are there, which we have to compare in percentage. So friends, today we are starting with index number by the following methods. The first is fixed base method. The formula is value of variable in current year upon value of variable in base year, right, into 100. 100 means what? Because we have to show the fixed base method answer in percentage. Index number is measured in percentage, right? Now variable means what? That only in explanation I have said, that it can be price of petrol, or it can be wages, or it can be production, it can be import of a particular country, export of a particular country, figures of COVID-19 of a particular country, right? That all the things comes in variable. I think it's a little bit clear to you. And now what is fixed base? Fixed base means the base is fixed. That is known as fixed base. Chain based method, you can see the numerator, value of variable in current year, same as the numerator of the fixed base. But the denominator changes, value of variable in preceding year. Because in chain base, we just compare with the year preceding to it. For example, I want to compare the figure of 2019, so I compare with the figure of 2018. If I want to compare the figures of 2018, I will compare with the figure of 2017. In that, we chain base method. That also into multiply by 100%, right? That comes the general index number. General index number means what? Where we find general. For example, today we know that the essential items of life, right? Rice, wheat, sugar, pulses, food items are more important today's situation, right? So that is general. Total we have to make, and then we have to make some formulas. That is sigma. Sigma means total. P stands for price. Actually, index number we can calculate by two methods, two ways actually. Price as well as on the basis of quantity. Each and every person, each and every family, each and every society has some different quantity, right? That's it. Price, that is P1. 1 stands for current year, while 0 stands for base year, right? So again, sigma means total, P stands for price, 1 stands for current year, while 0 stands for base year. Divided by n. N means what? Number of items or can be commodities into 100. I am taking the first sum to you, right? So friends, this is the first sum that is here. I'm just reading the question. You can see the question. The data about daily wages received by a worker in one factory of a city during the year 2008 to 2015 are given below. Find index number by fixed base method, right, chain base method, and by fixed base method taking average year of 2011 to 2013 as base year wages. So they are asking by two methods, fixed base method. So we are starting with that. Friends, I am talking about fixed base. So what are the informations given in the question? The first is the year. In every question, year will be given to you. Second is average daily wages. That is variable. In example, I have said to you wages, production, import figures, export figure. That is variable. Now this is base year 2008. Now why the base year 2008 is given? Because if you refer the question, you can see that in fixed base method, we have to take a particular year as the base year. But in this sum, in this particular sum, no information is given to us. So that's why we have to take the first year as the base year. Clear? Now what is the first year here? 2008. So 2008 value we have to consider as a base year. I think you can see it properly, right? I made a little bit zoom for you, so it becomes very clear. So now what is the formula, friends? Here they are saying P1 upon P0, but we have to take what? Value of variable in the current year. So now friends, we are taking 2008 as a current year. 2009, in 2009 it's a current year. That means in 2008 it's a current year for 2008. So 2008 value is how much? 275. As well as the base year value is also 275. So 275 divided by 275 into 100. So our answer is 100. Now for 2009. So what is 2009? How we have to go? 284. 284 divided by base year. What is the base year? 275 into 100. So what you can see in this sum? You can see that every year, the base year, you can see 275, 275, 275, every year 275. But the numerator changes because the formula is variable of current year. So what is the current year 2014? 328. What is the current year for 2012? 97. I think is that clear to you? Fixed base method. Now come friends, the second method is chain base method. Now, what is chain base method? The formula is perfectly they are saying to you. Chain base method is value of variable of current year upon value of variable of preceding year. Price is given, actually some mistakes are there, it is wages, right? So current year wages, preceding year wages. So here, now again 2008, what is the figure? 275, because the 2008 275 is given. You can see division is by 275. Okay, that arises a question. Sir, you have said preceding year. Now, right? Just concentrate, right? 2008 के पीछे कौन सा है? 2007. But in this question you can see that 2007 is not given to you. So ultimately you don't have any information. So on that basis we have to consider 2008 only. Clear? In absence of, for example, if 2007 is given, then we can take. The sums will be there. Then in that time it will become more clear to you. For particular sum here, the base year is not mentioned. 2007 information is not there. So we have to consider 275. And you have to remember that in chain based method, the first year is always taken as 100. In chain based method, first year is always taken as 100 in absence of information. Clear? So that's why 100. Now again the sum start the same way. 284 because 2009 284 is there, divided by preceding year 2009 we have to compare with 2008. So what is 2008 figure? 275. You have to see the questions perfectly, right? Here 289, same 289 divided by, you can see here 275. Why 275? Yes, fixed base method. But here we have to make 284. Why? Because it's a presiding. In this way it goes to you. Clear? Okay? Yes. Now comes friends, average base method. Last year we have learned simple average method, weighted average method and all. But unfortunately you are not able to give the exam. I know you are very excited about it, right? Okay. Average base method. So average base method, in that 3 years is given to us to take the values. 2011 to 2013. 2011 value 293. 2012 value 297. 2013 value 313. 293, 297, 3 months. Average. We have to make the total of all the 3. Divide by 3. Final answer we are getting what? 301. Now the base year is fixed. Not from the particular year, but the base year is, base value is what? 301. So that we have to divide. So now we can see 275 divided by 301, 284 divided by 301, 289. In this way it goes. Right? Clear to you? Now friends, we are taking the second sum. It's near about same to same sum. Just 1 minute. Yes, a little bit make the small one to read the question. Right? Just I am reading the question for you. Yes. Information. Now this time what is the variable friends? Yes, you can see the price of sugar of one city. Again they are asking to you by which method? Fixed base method, by taking this time. This question they are saying which base year we have to take? 2008. It's fixed. Chain base method. So what is the first value of chain base method in absence of information? Yes, 100. By taking average price of sugar, average price also. That means the same sum. You can see the same sum is given to you. It will be a little bit big for you. Yes. Clear? The same way we have to. You can see the base year is fixed 28 by 28. In absence of information also we are taking the first year only. Right? The same way. You can see in chain based method the first year is 100. While in average we have to take the average 28.50 plus 29.50, total 58 divided by 2. Now the average comes to 29. I think that concept is very much clear to you. Now come friends, the third method. Third is, right, third method, you remember what I said to you, that is the general index number. Now you can see the question is little bit different. You can see the question is little bit different. You can see the year is given in this particular way. Last time it has been given in this particular way. So whenever the question is in that way, you have only one option. That is to find general index number. Why? Because you have been given some commodities. You can see the variable here 3 is there. Whenever the variable increases from 1, we have to go for general. If only one variable is there, either fixed or either chain. And when the variable increases by 1, we have to go only for one method. That is general index number. And this method is little bit difficult. So be very attentive. So friends, what they want to say, information received related to wheat, rice, sugar from the wholesale market of one city by taking 2011 as the base year, right? Base year we have to take 2011. So now how to do this? We are coming to the answer. Fixed base method is equal to base year is 2011, fixed index number, formula we are knowing. What is the formula? Say to me. Yes. Value of variable of the current year upon value of variable in the base year into 100. Now, item year is given in that way. Wheat 2011 by 100. Why 100? Because it has been said that 2011 we have to take the base year. So now how this 100 comes? 18 divided by 18 into 100. 18.50 divided by 18 because fixed base. 18.9 divided by 18. Why? fixed base. 19 divided by 18 because fixed base. 19.5 divided by 18 by fixed base. Clear? For suppose this sum is chain based method, that is also asked you. So how to do now? Same thing, 100, 100, 100. 18.5 divided by 18, 18.9 divided by 18.5, 19 divided by 18.9, 19.5 divided by 19 only. Clear? That is chain based method. So after doing this one, the most important part, this is not completed the sum. It is just we have find by fixed base method. We have to make the total. So the total comes 300. Here comes 326.11. So now we have to find common index number. That is general index number. What is the formula? Sigma P1 upon P0 upon n into 100. Right, everything has been done because 100 is done in the formula, right? So now we have to do just total divided by 3. So clear? What is the formula? Total divided by 3. So 300 divided by 300, 326.1 divided by 108, that right? Now the same sum they are asking by which method? Chain based method also they are asking to us. Right? I am just showing the answers to you so you can practice. Okay? So now I think the last question is in the exercise 1.1. Yes. Now question little bit different. From the following data of 5 fuel items, you can see 5 fuel items are there. 2012 and 2014. You can see 2012 दो प्राइसेस आ रहे हैं, दो प्राइस दिए हुए। तो 2012 के प्राइस को क्या बोलेंगे? P0, याद आ रहा है? फॉर्मूला था P0। प्राइस ऑफ ईयर 2014 को क्या बोलेंगे? 14 एकदम लेटेस्ट आया इंफॉर्मेशन, इसे हम बोलेंगे P1। मतलब जो पुराना है उसे हम 0 बोलते हैं और जो नया है उसे हम क्या बोलते हैं? 1। और प्राइस दिया इसलिए क्या बोलेंगे? P। अगर यहाँ क्वांटिटी दिया होता तो हम क्या लेते हैं? Q। क्लियर? क्वांटिटी का एब्रिविएशन Q। राइट? अब आगे बढ़ते हैं तो सम कैसे दिखाई देगा? देखो, ये है एक्चुअली जनरल इंडेक्स नंबर का मेन कंसेप्ट है। ये इलेक्ट्रिसिटी यूनिट में बिल आते हैं अपने, गैस सिलेंडर में, मैच बॉक्स बॉक्स में, केरोसिन कैसे मेजर किया जाता है? लीटर में, वुड को केजी में, राइट? अब ये पूरा इंफॉर्मेशन देके रखा है। देखो, उन्होंने आपको P0 P1 दिया हुआ और यहाँ हमको ये प्राइस माइनस रिलेटिव नहीं है, प्राइस रिलेटिव है। तो क्या है फॉर्मूला अपना? P1 अपॉन P0 इंटू 100 नहीं है क्योंकि वो आगे आने वाला है। तो यहाँ पे 3.5 डिवाइड बाय 3 थोड़ा अलग सम है, ये पूरा हमने किया, राइट? इसका टोटल आया सिग्मा P1 अपॉन P0। ये आपने कहीं देखा है आपके फॉर्मूला। तो ये कब करना है? जब आपके पास 3 नहीं 2 इंफॉर्मेशन। सो फ्रेंड्स एक बार रिपीट कर लेते हैं। अगर एक ही इंफॉर्मेशन दिया हो तो यस फिक्स बेस या फिर चेन बेस क्वेश्चन में दिया हो, एक नहीं सिर्फ 2 इंफॉर्मेशन दिया हो तो जनरल इंडेक्स नंबर का मेन फॉर्मूला लगाएंगे P1 सिग्मा P1 अपॉन P0 अपॉन n into 100। सही है? और 3 आइटम है, 3 चीज दिया है तो आप उसमें P1 P0 कर ही नहीं सकते, इसीलिए हमें उसको अलग तरीके से टोटल किया जाता है। याद आ रहा है? अगेन बता देता हूं मैं आपको। 3 दिया हुआ है इसलिए हम कर ही नहीं सकते, इसलिए उनको अलग से तीनों का एवरेज निकाल के डिवीजन करवाया। क्लियर? अब यहाँ पे 2 है तो हम आराम से कर सकते हैं, इसलिए इसको डिवीजन कराया। अब मेन फॉर्मूला में आगे, अब इंडेक्स नंबर का फॉर्मूला क्या है? सिग्मा P1 अपॉन P0 अपॉन n into 100। ये आंसर 6.33 यहाँ से आया, डिवाइड बाय 5 किया into 100, ये आंसर अपना बैठा 126.45 और परसेंटेज कितना बढ़ा? 26.45%। क्लियर हो रहा है? ओके, राइट? तो 1.1 फ्रेंड्स कंप्लीट हुआ है। यू नो दैट 100% आई एम ट्राइंग टू गिव द बेस्ट, लेकिन आई नो कि थोड़ा सही नहीं लग रहा है मुझे भी ये, बट व्हाट टू डू, राइट? जब तक माहौल ठीक नहीं होता तब तक हमें इसे करना पड़ेगा। अब ये सुन लो कि इलेक्ट्रिशियन में 1 से 7 है, होमवर्क करने की आदत हमारे में से बहुतों को नहीं है, लेकिन अब करना पड़ेगा, सिचुएशन ऐसा है, राइट। अब चेकिंग का क्या करेगा? चेकिंग आप क्या करोगे? आप बुक होमवर्क करोगे, आपका नाम लिखोगे पहले पेज पे और मुझे व्हाट्सएप करोगे पर्सनल वॉल पे, ठीक है? इतना तो करना पड़ेगा क्योंकि ये सब टॉपिक फिर से होना मुश्किल है, टाइम कम पड़ जाएगा। सो फ्रेंड्स, थैंक यू, बी सेफ, थैंक यू फॉर राइट, गुड बेस्ट।